Making some wood glue, so I have it all in here, the wood glue already. So let's just add in our borax. Let's mix. It's working! Mom, it's working. We're just gonna have to stem slowly until I think it's done. I don't think it's done because it's like still weird. It's working. I can't believe this is working. Ooh. It's so sticky. You just want to keep adding activator until it's not so sticky. Mom, I might need needing more activator. I gotta add one more cup of one more tablespoon of activator. Guys, this is not professionally like all the way ready. So now it's like getting real hard. So I think it's ready now. Woo! It's my slime. Here's the slime right here. It's coming out really well. I'm gonna touch it to see if it's like fully done. I'm so happy. I'm so happy this worked. I thought this was going to fail when I first started this video. It was ridiculous. So now this is the boraxy part. This is that bottom. So let me just get some more water. I'll get more water in a minute. I gotta tell my best friend Chris about this because like he will go bananas. I did. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more because it's like I don't want it consistency like really sticky. Okay, so we got some more water. Oh my god, this. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on, guys. So my mom just wanted me to get her something. I'm gonna just go in for hands because you gotta work with it. Wow, Mom, it works. It's so cute. It's like a butter, but like a hard. Hold on, I'll text them on yours, Mom. Okay, guys, this is the final. It's not so clicky, but whatever. Slime at least. I'm so happy this worked. It's not so stretchy right now because it's just like first name. So I'm gonna make some more. But I mean in a little bit. But I don't want to make some like right now. I want to surprise my best friend. So bye guys. Thanks for watching.